All right, guys. So now we are going to start setting up our coding environment, and we are going to be downloading the necessary software needed for this course. All right. So I just want you guys to head over to your browser. So I'll be using my Google Chrome, like as I've said. So I want you guys to search for Visual Studio Code download. After searching for this, it's going to bring you to this web page. So where you have this their web link. So click on the first link over here. Then it's going to bring you to their web page, like their website, where you'll be able to download you'll be able to download the Visual Studio Code for different operating system. So for instance, if you're on the Windows operating system, like me, I'll be downloading for Windows, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if you're using the Ubuntu operating system, where we there are some people that use the Ubuntu operating system, you have to just download for your suitable version, your suitable operating system. So as for those using Mac as well, so those that are using the MacBook laptops, you come here and download for your version, you download for your operating system rather. So for me, I'll just for the Windows, I'll just click on this Windows button over here. Then it's going to start downloading. So also it's going to start downloading for you also. All right, so after downloading that, I'll just head over to back to my desktop. But the fact is that I've downloaded this setup before. I have it in my system already, so I actually don't need to download it again. I'm just showing you the step of how you can download it. So if you want to look for the exe folder, the exe folder, that's the docs.exe folder that you just downloaded, might be in your download folder over here. So it's going to be in your download folder. Just check out your download folder. You will probably see it as downloaded as the latest download over here. But mine, I brought it to my desktop over here. So just double click on it. After double clicking on it, it's going to bring out this terms and condition page. Just make sure you click on you accept the agreement, because if you don't accept it, it's not going to allow you to go to next. Then click on next. Yes, this is the most important part you need to take note of. Make sure you check all these boxes. Make sure you check all these boxes. Create a desktop icon, add open with code, add open with code with Windows Explorer directly. Just make sure you check all these codes, all these check boxes. Make sure it's checked before installing. Then click on next. Then you install. After installing, it's going to create a desktop icon for you. I don't need to install it anymore because I have it installed already. So it's going to create a desktop icon for you. While this is my own desktop icon. Alright guys, now after installing the software, after installing the VS Code, we need to create our folder, our working folder. So to do that, you just simply right click on your page, on your desktop, right click on your desktop, go to new, select new, then click on folder. Then we'll be naming it web dev course, web dev course. So this web dev course will be our working folder where we'll be working on throughout our project, throughout our course. Right now, so this folder, I'm going to be opening this folder with my VS Code. So to do that, just simply right click on the folder, then go to show more. I'm on the Windows 11 operating system, so probably if you're on the Windows 10 or other versions, other operating system versions of Windows, you just have to see, you might see all these options directly. But for the Windows 11, you just have to right click and click on show more options. Then this open with code is what we are going to click. So this open with code is actually there because of those boxes we checked when installing the VS Code. Those boxes we checked was the one that made this VS Code option to be there. If we did not check it, and if the checkbox are not checked before installing, this option won't be there. So it might be stressful for us to locate our Visual Studio Code and open it. So I'm going to be opening this with VS Code. All right, guys, so this is the home page of VS Code. Don't worry, don't be scared, and don't be surprised that my own theme is actually different from your own theme. I have some extensions that I downloaded that beautifies my my VS Code, and it helps my my workflow go very fast. Don't worry, I'll be teaching you this in the advanced class, not in this basic class, in the advanced class whereby you if you join the advanced class, you'll be learning. I'll be teaching you guys everything on VS Code, all the themes, how we download all these extensions, and the shortcut keys as well. So this is our homepage, and this is our working environment. You can see we have the name of the folder here.